Greetings, space cadets and future astronauts. Buckle up your spacesuits and prepare for a musical mystery in the cosmos. Today, we're rocketing through the Milky Way with Cosmo and the Case of the Missing Melody. Cosmo wasn't your average spaceship. Unlike his brethren who zipped through space delivering cargo, Cosmo dreamt of composing symphonies amongst the stars. He longed to capture the twinkling sounds of distant galaxies and the rhythmic hum of nebulae. One starry night, while on a routine delivery to a music-loving planet, Cosmo received a distress call. It was Luna, a kind alien with flowing blue hair, the conductor of the Cosmic Symphony Orchestra. "Cosmo!" Luna's voice crackled through the speakers. "Our most precious instrument, the star harp, has gone silent without its celestial melody. Tonight's concert will be a disaster." Cosmo's circuits whirred. A silent star harp. This was a mystery that needed solving. He zoomed towards Luna's planet, a vibrant world where buildings resembled giant musical notes and flowers bloomed in perfect harmony. Upon arrival, Luna explained that the star harp, known for its enchanting melody that mimicked starlight, had gone inexplicably quiet. Cosmo, with his built-in musical analyzer, scanned the instrument. He whirred. "No damage detected. It seems the star harp is simply not receiving any starlight to translate into music." But the planet was bathed in starlight. Where was the problem? Cosmo decided to retrace the star harp's light source, a distant nebula known as the Song of the Cosmos. As Cosmo approached the nebula, he encountered a group of playful comets whizzing by. "Hey," one comet called out, "haven't seen any starlight coming out of that nebula lately. It just..." A light bulb flickered on in Cosmo's internal circuits. He zoomed towards the nebula, its shimmering colors dimmed and silent. A mischievous meteor blocked its path, its rocky surface absorbing the starlight. "Hey, little rock," Cosmo boomed well, as loud as a spaceship could boom. "You're blocking the starlight. The Cosmic Symphony needs its light to sing." Startled, the meteor tumbled aside. Starlight flooded back into the nebula, its colorful hues rekindled and its melodic hum returning. Back on Luna's planet, the star harp sprang back to life, filling the air with its celestial symphony. That night, the Cosmic Symphony Orchestra played a concert filled with joy and gratitude. Cosmo, the spaceship with a musical heart, became a hero, proving that even the most unexpected characters can solve a mystery and bring back